Yeah, you. Are you procrastinating on YouTube right now when you should be doing something productive? Do you ever wonder why you spend so much time actively avoiding responsibilities? There have actually been several studies on why we'd rather be scrolling through our social media feed, watching movies, sleeping while watching movies. In fact, we lose 55 days a year of procrastinating. So Wilpo, what is the solution to help mankind enrich our lives with greater productivity? Easy. A cheerleader bot. Obviously. What's up fam, it's your boy Wilpo Millow, and I'll admit it, I like to be a potato too sometimes. But how do we check if someone is being inactive while on their computer? Well, most activities require some sort of mouse input moving around on your screen, so I built a mouse tracker. See me move my mouse, update the values, and also reset the timer here. Because all a mouse really is an X and Y coordinate, so we just need to watch for them to change. So how do we transform this into a cheerleader? Well, we'll need to catch ourselves a voice actor to do some encouraging motivational one-liners for us. And we caught one! Now it's time to hit the booth and get some lines. Recording session, go!
Are you there? Anyone there? Oi! What are you doing? Excuse me, please get back to work.
And now with over 20 voice lines prepared, let's test our cheerleader out by assigning some report writing work. How it executes is, when the bot realizes your mouse has been idle for over 20 seconds, it will randomly select one of the voice clips and play them to alert you to get back to focusing. Not only that, but it comes in multiple languages. Toggle between language folders for your desired sharing. With multiple audio lines prepared in each language, who knows what you'll get? Let's test one example now. You want to stop writing that important essay to play some games on your phone? Think again! You want to watch hours of videos to avoid your work? Think again! Falling asleep on the job? Not on cheerleader bot's watch.
Oh shit.
We're finally motivated enough to get back to work. Let's see what quality productive work can be done now. Thanks.